A neighbor of mine just got hacked. 3 bank accounts drained before she even knew. If this happens to you, here's what you need to do immediately. First, disconnect your computer from the internet. Second, change your computer password. On a PC, this can be done by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete at the same time and selecting the Change Password option from the list that appears. Third, change your email password. It's your master key, which controls access to everything you log into. Fourth, update your bank passwords last, after first securing your email and computer. Microsoft Defender protects just as well as paid antivirus. Just make sure it is enabled. Make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. If you are unsure if this is enabled or even how to enable it, you can use the chat support feature available on their website, and it can walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication. A password manager helps, but guard your master password like your life depends on it. Fast action protects your future. Stay safe, stay smart. Subscribe for more quick tech tips and stay one step ahead of hackers. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay secure.